Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. For those who are new here, on this channel we share helpful tutorials and how-to guides. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to get level 30 enchantment in Minecraft. So if you want to know how to do it, just keep on watching. So in Minecraft, obtaining a level 30 enchantment requires the use of an enchanting table and experience points. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to achieve a level 30 enchantment. So first of all, gather experience point or XP. The first step is to accumulate enough experience points to reach level 30. You can earn XP by various means such as mining ores, defeating mobs, smelting items, breeding animals, or trading with villagers. Next is craft an enchanting table. So once you have enough XP, you need to craft an enchanting table. To do this, you will need 4 obsidian, 2 diamonds, and 1 book. So arrange them in a crafting table as shown. Okay? So here is what you need to do. So you need obsidian around here, then diamond at the middle, and a book. Okay? So now what you need to do is to set up the enchanting area. Find a suitable place to set up your enchanting table. You will need 15 bookshelves placed around the enchanting table to reach the maximum level 30 enchantment. Arrange the bookshelves like this. Okay? So like this. So B for bookshelf and then E for enchanting table. So just like that. So make sure there are no other blocks between the bookshelves and the enchanting table, and leave 1 block of space between them. Okay, so the next one, gain access to 30 enchantments. So with the enchanting table surrounded by 15 bookshelves, you should now have access to level 30 enchantments. Simply right-click on the enchanting table, place the item to enchant in the left slot, and spend your accumulated XP levels to perform the enchantment. And lastly, this is an optional action, rerolling enchantments. If the enchantment you receive is not what you want, you can reroll it by removing the item from the enchanting table and gaining more XP levels, then try again until you get the desired enchantment. Keep in mind that level 30 enchantments are random. The available enchantments depend on the item type and the number of enchantments that can be applied to it. Some items may not have a level 30 enchantment option available. Also, it is essential to understand that not all enchantments are compatible with each other, so plan your enchanting choices wisely. So that's it for this video. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day!